Can you listen to our poem? Poem. As we say goodbye to primariness, you have grown and learned. You have done your best. From ABCs to math and more, you have discovered the world and opened doors. As we say goodbye to you, you have been there for us. Through laughter and share, we have made memories that will forever shine. In our hearts, they will forever be mine. Though you move to new classified, lessons learned here should be your guide. Carry the love, the joy, and the fun. We're gonna cherish the moment we had with everyone. Farewell, dear candidates. It's time to part. We shall hold these memories closer to our heart. We are grateful for the time we have shared and the love that has been shown beyond compare. Composed by Ravichireze Doriana Shimwe with the help of Barnabe Trinity Academic Girls Foundation team. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share to our channel. Bye bye.